little artists! Are you ready to draw something super sweet today? We're going to draw and color a yummy chocolate bar. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the packet of the chocolate bar. Start by drawing a rectangle with a slightly crumpled edge at the top. That's where the chocolate is peeking out. Now, let's draw the chocolate bar coming out of the packet. Draw another rectangle on top, but this time add 4 small rectangles inside to show the chocolate pieces. Yum! This is making me hungry. Let's make our chocolate packet super cute by adding eyes and a big smile. Draw 2 circles for the eyes and a curved line for the mouth.
Cool!
Doesn't it look adorable? Looking awesome! Let's make our drawing pop by going over the lines with a bold black marker. Wow, now it looks even more delicious. Now it's time to color. Look at all these fun colors we have. Let's make our chocolate bar extra sweet. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. Chocolate color.
Cool!
Wow, your chocolate bars look amazing. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to subscribe and come back for more fun art activities. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.